Discover a more personal connection with your family's history. Introducing Personal Heritage Journeys from Kensington Tours and Ancestry, the most captivating way to explore your roots. Together, we customize a travel experience around the most meaningful places and moments in your unique family history. Privately guided by experts who know the in-depth local history and culture, and who bring your family history to life. It's an unforgettable exploration of your family tree that can be led by your own ancestry genealogist. Together, you can touch the same stones as they once did, walk the same streets, hear their stories. It's the most profound way to make your past come alive. A journey that makes your family history truly personal.